Hello, my name is Dr. Carey, and I'm going to be coming to Kandy to give a special workshop for teachers called Tools and Techniques for Teachers. This is going to be on Sunday, 15 September from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock. And I'm going to be giving tools, new information, new techniques that are going to greatly help any teacher to have better classroom management, to get students to participate better, to make learning more fun. It's going to be very, very, very activity-based and interesting. And I really hope to see you. I want to help as many teachers as I can, so come and take advantage of it. From the USA, and I've been teaching for 44 years, and I have some wonderful things to share with you. There will be free gifts given to everybody who comes, and I look forward to seeing you. Thank you very much.
First Friends Campus. We make your dream become a reality.